Look, Elmo, it is the community market. And it is not the place they sell communities. No. It is the place where people come together to sell and buy things and help one another.
Ooh.
Yes, everyone here is helping out. I have just had an idea. We should help the community too.
Yay!
Ernie and Bert's baseball team needs new bats. And I know how we can get them. We will make and sell delicious ice-cold lemonade to help buy what the community needs.
That's a great idea. Let's make a pitcher of lemonade.
Then I will read the recipe to you, little Elmo. It says here that the first thing you need to make lemonade is lemons. We need 3 lemons. Please click on the lemons to put them in the pitcher.
1, 2, 3 all together.
Next, we need 4 cups of water. To measure the right number of cups, click on the water.
1, 2, 3, 4 all together.
The recipe says that we need 1 scoop of sugar. Click on the scoop of sugar to add it to the lemonade.
1 all together.
And I know the next part of the recipe. We need 1 spoon to stir it all together. Click on the spoon. 1 stir, 2 stirs, 3 stirs, and we are finished. We have done it. We have made a refreshing pitcher of lemonade. Now let us take it to the community market and sell the lemonade from our cute little lemonade stand. Lemonade! Get your lemonade! We just walked around the community market and we are thirsty. A cup of lemonade for each of us, please. We need a cup of lemonade for each of these thirsty monsters. To pour each monster a cup of lemonade, click on the pitcher. When you think you have the right number of cups, click on the green OK button. 1, 2, 3 cups of lemon. 4 cups of lemonade. No, you do not have enough cups of lemonade. Click on the pitcher to pour more lemonade. 5. Good job. Now each monster has 1 cup of lemonade. That's right. 5 cups of lemonade all together. Thank you for helping.
Yay!
Oh, thank you. Any thirsty monsters? Come get your lemonade! We are some hot and thirsty monsters. A cup of lemonade for each of us, please. We need a cup of lemonade. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Now each monster has 1 cup of lemonade. That's right. 3 cups of lemonade all together. Thank you for helping.
Yay!
Nice cold lemonade. Lemonade, 25 cents a cup.
We just helped the neighbor finish painting her front door. We sure are thirsty. A cup of lemonade for each of us, please.
We need a cup of lemonade for each of these thirsty monsters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now each monster has 1 cup of lemonade. That's right. 5 cups of lemonade all together. Thank you for helping.
Yay! Oh boy, this is just what I wanted.
We are all out of lemonade, and we have raised enough money to buy bats for Ernie and Bert's baseball team. Thank you for helping us help the community. Maybe you can think of some ways you can help the community where you live, too.
Bye. Elmo loves you.